Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus for January 2021. The regular Ipsy Glam Bag, this is a $12 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 sample size products catered to our beauty profile. And then the Glam Bag Plus, this is $25 a month. In here we should have 5 full size products catered to our beauty profile. I have 2 separate profiles for each of my bags. The regular Glam Bag, this is not my normal profile. This is a more adventurous profile. Wants more adventurous makeup, bold makeup, all that stuff. The Glam Bag Plus, this is my normal profile, so interested in more neutral makeup. I have my correct age, hair color, all that stuff. So this is me. This is someone else. The point of this video is just sort of to see which subscription is better, which one I like better, which one I prefer, and if your profiles really matter. I sort of have a little like competition, my own competition in my head to which bag is better, and 9 times out of 10 I prefer the regular Glam Bag over the Glam Bag Plus. If it is your first time on my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so I don't use anything that's been tested on animals, and if at any time while I'm filming I don't know if something is cruelty-free, I will have that displayed on the screen right here for you, as well as the full-size value and the estimated sample size value. If it's a sample, I will do all the math, all that stuff, and really just to find out if we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, with all that said, let's just go ahead and start. Usually we start with the regular Glam Bag, so we will do that this month as well. Okay, so the Glam Bag this month is like this. It's like a clear silicone almost, and it's like a periwinkle blue, and then it says Dream all over it. I'm sure you can see that. So the little card right here is going to have the theme for the month, which is Dream It. And inside this card, it's going to have everything we're getting as well as their full-size value. I will tell you right now, the Glam Bag Plus generally doesn't have that information in there. I don't know why, but it just doesn't come with it. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and pull out first. This is on the outside of the bag. This is a brush from LaRousse. I have tried brushes from them in the past. They're all right. They're not super, super soft, and this one's not really either. I do really enjoy the handle. It's like a studded slate gray, bluish sort of color. The brush itself is just a flat brush. I'm not going to use this. I have so many brushes like this, and while I do think it's really, really cute, I don't need that brush. I have way too many brushes, so I'm going to be passing that on to somebody else. And the value of that is 28 bucks. So yeah, not going to pay 28 bucks for a flat brush ever in my life. So first item right off the bat, kind of a ripoff. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Cake, which I have tried maybe this exact item before, I believe. This is a heavy cream body butter, basically. Packaging is really, really cute. They are cruelty-free. And let's get a sniff on this. So yeah, it's lightly scented. It does smell sweet, like a cookie or something like that. Vanilla, I guess, is the scent, so yeah, got that. It's fine. Body butter lotion is not my favorite thing. Like, I have my favorites, but I'll use it again. The full size of that product is $8.99, so pretty affordable for a body lotion. Okay, moving right along, let's pull out this next thing. This is from Sugar, which I think is cruelty-free. I'm fairly certain. This is a matte as hell crayon lipstick, and mine's in the shade Viola. So you can see the color right there. It's pulling a little more brown on camera than it is in real life. Typically not into matte lipsticks personally, but we'll go ahead and swatch it. I do think the color is, oh goodness. The color is nice, but I don't know if it's supposed to be shaped like that, or if that's, I think that's just, it like melted in transit. Not sure if you can see that. Let me try to swatch this without breaking it. Oh, it is really pretty. I do like the color a lot. So there's the color. It does feel creamy. It doesn't feel dry, so that's really good. So maybe I will use that. Color's not bad. The full size of that is $20.99. So probably not something I would pay for this particular item personally, but we'll see. All right, moving right along. The next thing I have looks to be another lip product. This is Time Pressed Lip Balm from Complex Culture, which I've only ever tried brushes from them. I don't think I've tried any lip product. I believe they're cruelty-free, but I will have to double check on that. The packaging is pretty cute, pretty simple. So yeah, that's kind of cute. So it's just a lip balm. I don't think it smells like anything. A little bit shiny. I mean, I'm not typically into like fancy lip balms like this, but I'll use it. I like using a lip balm. So got that. The full size of that is $12. So yeah, a little bit pricey for a lip balm in my opinion. All right, and we have one last item. This is from Kaleido Cosmetics, which is cruelty-free. This is the Astro Light, which sounds like a highlighter. I don't know what that is though. Oh yeah, See From Space highlighter. So the packaging, there it is on the front, really nice. And then the side has like these little flowers. I think that's flowers, right? Oh, it's just pink and green. But really cute. This is cruelty-free, like I said. Let's see. Okay, so this is a liquid highlight, which is just something I don't use. I have liquid highlighters and I never reach for them, so I'm not going to use that. I do think it's a good fit for the profile, so not mad to get it, but just something me personally I'm not interested in. And the full size is $17, which I don't think is too bad for a liquid highlighter. So, all right, so let's judge this profile. Overall, I don't really think it's a great fit for the profile. The lip color is pretty neutral. The lip balm is clear. The brush is, you know, could be used for any profile. And then same with the body cream, you know, pretty universal across the board. So overall, not a great fit for the profile. I didn't really love this bag personally either. Okay, so now we will get into the Glam Bag Plus. So here's the bag this month. It's pretty much the same thing except for it's cloth and it says Dream all over it. It's okay. You're fine, I know. Oh, sorry, if you're new here, I have dogs and they talk sometimes. Right, Bronx? Sometimes we say hello. Yes, yes. Okay, so there was something on the outside of the bag, and this, I assume, is a LaRousse brush set, just because it says LaRousse, and I've received brushes like this from them before. So here we have 5 brushes from them, and none of them, I'm not going to keep any of these, I just don't need any more brushes. Like, the handles are the same way, but not going to use that. The card in here, like I said, will not have the value, so I will have to look into that for you and let you know. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull out the next thing. This is from Purlisse, which is cruelty-free. This is the Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. And there is, I think there's 6 that come in these. I've gotten them before, not this particular mask, but yep, there's 6 in there. So 6 sheet masks, not mad to get it. I have so many sheet masks that I'm trying to get through, so I'm going to pass this on to someone else or toss into a giveaway, but their masks are really nice. I do enjoy their masks. I may pull one out of there and try one of these, but probably going to pass the rest on. Okay, let's pull up this. This is from Pixi, which is cruelty-free. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Jasmine Oil Blend. This is Jasmine and Evening Primrose, a Radiance Recovery Oil. So I do actually have one of these oils. It's the Rose Oil Blend from Pixi. What I like about these, and I'll show you this one, I'm going to probably throw it into a giveaway, but is it comes with a lid for travel. So if you travel somewhere, you can just put this lid on and take, or whatever, if you want to just pour it out. Anyways, I like that it comes with a separate lid and the oil dropper separately. It's a nice oil. I mean, I like oils a lot, and I mean, I don't find much differentiation between them, but not mad to get it. But like I said, I already have the oil or the rose one, so I'm going to pass this on to somebody else. All right, and the next thing we have is from Ofra. This is a highlighter. Ofra is cruelty-free. Let's see. I don't know the shade of this. I have a couple Ofra highlighters, and I like them a lot. The packaging is so pretty on this. Really, really nice. This is the collab with Nikki Tutorials. This is Glow Goals, which I think I might have this. So one of the highlighters I actually have from Ofra is one with Nikki Tutorials. It's like this 3-pan one, and you can see the color I use the most is this color. And I think it might be the same shade. This is called Glow Goals. I'm going to hold them up next to each other, and we'll see if we think they're the same. They look the same, right? Like, I'm fairly certain those are the same shade. So I'm going to pass this one on to somebody else because I already have it. And I swear I've used this so much and it's made like no dent in it. I remember when I got this, I think I got it in a Lure beauty box. I didn't like that it had 3 shades in it because I'm not going to use that white shade, or in the other shade I think is too dark for me. So that was kind of a bummer, but it's taken me a long time to even get that far into that pan. So really, really good highlighters from Ofra. I'm sure you've heard that all over YouTube. I like their highlighters a lot. Let me go ahead and swatch this too while I have it out, just so you can see like the kind of pigment we're dealing with. Like it's pretty good. So there it is. Like it's pretty nice. I definitely love that highlighter. It's funny that the one highlighter they sent me is the one that I really gravitate towards into that tri-pan. All right, and we have one last item. This is a palette, it looks to be. This is the Moods palette from Laura Sanchez, which I've gotten, what did I get from this? I think I had an eyeshadow single from this. I've gotten something from this brand. I think it was an eyeshadow single, and I can't remember if I liked it or not. Okay, so here's the palette. It does come with a brush, and it looks like it has 2 highlighters down there. Yes, 2 highlighters and 8 shades. This I'm not even going to dip into. I'm not drawn to this at all. I don't wear really, really bright colors like that. Oh, there goes the brush. I'm not drawn to this palette at all. Sorry, the reflection from the cover on it. It's just got 2 neutrals and the rest is really, really bright. And I feel like, honestly, I have all these colors already. Maybe not the purple, but that's a color I don't enjoy. I don't really like this palette personally, and I don't really think it fits the profile. So, you know, not for me. It does, however, say on the back that it is cruelty-free, so that's good. But yeah, just not something I'm drawn to. So that's everything for the Glam Bag Plus. I think it really didn't fit the profile either. I mean, maybe the highlighter, but yeah, probably the highlighter. But other than that, like, meh. Nothing in here that I'm really excited to use. Nothing I'm gonna use, actually. I'm passing all of this along. The one thing I would be excited about would be the Ofra highlighter, but I already have it. So other than that, I'm not gonna use anything in here. All going to giveaways. And let me take a look again at the regular Glam Bag just to see. I think this month we have a tie. Honestly, both these bags are pretty much the same. But now I leave it to you. I would love to know if you guys like these bags, which one you thought was better. And if you get this subscription, I would love to hear what you got in your bag. I did forget to mention in the beginning of the video that you can pick one item to be in your box. I never pick it. I never get it. You have such a limited time to even do it. So, yeah. Okay guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. It means so much to me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye! Can you say bye? Oh, he's gonna cry. He's gonna cry a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna cry. Oh, Josie says bye though. Josie says bye. Bye guys.